Good morning. Thanks for joining us this Thursday, the 4th of August. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, yesterday, the Aussie share market started the trading session in negative territory, down about 1% in the morning, but fought back in the afternoon to close 0.3% lower. The tech sector was the top performing sector, up 2.2%. Materials also managed to post a small gain of 0.35%. However, the rest of the sectors were in the red. Looking now at the ASX 200 leaderboard, Pinnacle Investment Management, PNI, jumped 12.2% after its strong full-year results, which showed profits had grown in financial year 2022. Zip was up 8.6%, continuing to lift since its quarterly report a couple of weeks ago. And some other tech shares like NOVONIX, EML Payments, and Megaport MP1 were amongst the top gainers for the day. On the flip side, the worst performers yesterday included Centuria Industrial REIT, CIP, Star Entertainment Group, SGR, and City Chic Collective, CCX. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included Lake Resources, LKE, telehealth company ResApp, RAP, as well as Zip. Moving to the US, stocks rallied off the back of better than expected economic data and a rebound in tech stocks. The positive July services PMI helped investors shake off worries of a recession and sent traders back to beaten down tech stocks. The Dow Jones was up more than 400 points, the S&P 500 lifted 1.6%, and the Nasdaq jumped 2.6%, boosted by solid gains from Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. And European markets also closed higher after the strong US data reported. As for what to watch today locally, in line with the positive sessions seen in the US and in Europe, the ASX 200 is expected to rise 0.47% at the open if you go by the SPI futures. In economic news, balance of trade data for June will be released today. Australia's trade surplus lifted to a record high of $15.97 billion in May 2022, easily beating market forecasts of a surplus of $10.73 billion, as exports rose more than imports amid solid global demand and soaring commodity prices. Today's reading is expected to come in at 14 billion, so stay tuned at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Moving to commodities, oil prices have fallen after a surprise increase in US crude and gasoline inventories weighed on prices. The WTI oil price is trading at around US $90 a barrel. The gold price was pressured by a stronger dollar and treasury yields and currently trades at US $1,763 an ounce. And the spot iron ore price trades slightly down at US $117 a tonne. Lastly, if you hold Arena REIT, ARF, Prospect Resources, PSC, or Unity Group, UWL, you'll receive your dividend payment today. Now let's end with some trading ideas for your consideration. Bell Potter have maintained its buy rating on Technology One, TNE, with an increased price target from $12.50 to $14.25. Bell Potter forecasts double-digit underlying EPS growth in each of the next 3 years. TNE also reported a strong result which was generated by an increase in the average number of products per customer, a large number of software as a service flips, and also CPI increase for those customers in Australia who renewed contracts in the first half of FY22. Now at its current share price of $12.30, this implies about 16% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central has a bullish signal on Fletcher Building, FBU, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $4.77 to the range of $5.55 to $5.70 in the next 71 days according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Have a lovely day and happy trading.